Tired of seeing that dreaded "this video is not available in your region" message on Amazon Prime Video UK? Well, you can unlock a whole new world of content by accessing the US Amazon Prime library right here in the UK, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, you're going to need a VPN, or virtual private network. I recommend choosing a reputable VPN provider with servers located in the United States. Some popular choices include Norton, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN, but do your research and find one that best suits your needs. Head over to your chosen VPN provider's website and sign up for a subscription, then download and install the VPN application on your device, whether you're using a computer, phone, tablet, or smart TV. Open the VPN application and log in using your newly created account credentials. Next, browse the server list and select a server located in the United States. Connect to that server. Now, open your Amazon Prime Video app or go to the Amazon Prime Video website. Because you're connected to a US server through your VPN, Amazon Prime Video will now think you're browsing from the United States. You should now have access to the US Amazon Prime Video library, which includes a wider selection of movies and TV shows not available in the UK. Browse and enjoy. Remember to keep your VPN connected while streaming to maintain access to the US content, and that's it. You can now enjoy a much larger selection of movies and TV shows on Amazon Prime Video from anywhere in the UK. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks.